Hey guys, today let's learn how to do masking on a CapCut video. So if you want to go ahead and basically mask a video, like mask a specific part of a video on the CapCut application, I'm going to teach you guys just how to do that. So please watch this video until the end. Okay, so first of all, let's go ahead and switch on to our CapCut applications. And basically right here, we do have our CapCut applications already running. I'm going to go ahead and delete this sequence and go ahead and enter a sample video. All right. So if you want to go ahead and mask a video, of course, all we need to do is to tap on the video right here. Go ahead onto the top right corner and tap on the video tab and tap on mask right here. As you see, we do have a few templates that we could use to mask our video, like split, film strip. Let's actually use and show you what these examples are going to show. So this is what split looks like. Here's film strip, here's circle, rectangle, heart, star, and of course we could also go ahead and edit these positions however we like it. If you want to go ahead and edit, let's actually start with the most basic. Let's start with a circle one. Okay, as you see, we could also just drag and drop this circle anywhere on our screens. I'm going to go ahead on this part right here, and I could also resize this, make it an oval, make it larger, resize it and make it larger like this, and rotate it as well. And that's how you basically edit this mask. And basically, if you want to go ahead and create a mask and basically also expand the mask as you go through the video, you could easily do that just by tapping on this icon, which is a keyframe. Now, of course, keyframes are a whole new story, but that's how you add just one keyframe. And let's actually go ahead onto this next section, resize this, and that's going to automatically create a new keyframe. And once you play through the video, you should see that the mask is automatically going to resize itself with the keyframe animation. But that is how you easily create masks on CapCut. Of course, that is only the basics. I'm going to leave the creativity up to you to edit your own videos with your own masks designs. And that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.